Morning, welcome back to the channel, or afternoon wherever you're watching. Today I'm going to do a video on how to build a me tower, or my tower, however you want to pronounce it. So yeah, I'm going to build that up so that we can scrape the roof. I've done from kind of there across, so we've just got that section to do there, but I've had to come back today. So you get, there's 8 side pieces, 2 platforms. Those are your 2 base with the wheels on, which so you can wheel it about. So you can wheel it around, and then when you've got it in position, you just clamp them down, and we're all nice and sturdy. That's the piece that goes around the floor, top platform. So if you've got any tools there, they're not going to spill off the edge. You get 7 support struts with one, and you get 4 outriggers. I'm pretty sure that the Me Tower Plus, which is the 2-man system, you get exactly the same, it's just wider, I think. But don't quote me on that. So yeah, the only thing you need really is just a spirit level, and I will now show you how we start putting that together. Okay, first things first, one section there, I just clip in, that's simple. Same with this one, that clips in, simple as well. Spirit level. This side's got to come up a little bit. A little bit more. There we go. Spot on. Side's got to come up. Down a little bit. That's it. Just double check. That's nice and level all round. Now to adjust the height, what you do with these is you push that up or down, and then these twist, you lock them into place. Make sure these are all locked in nice and tight. Same with this one. Next thing to do is build the sides, drop the sides on. So they drop on fully down. I'm going to try and do this one-handed, but these, to put these sections in, push that all the way through, and then just pull that down, and that stops that coming out. Same this side, push that through, and then pull that down. So what I do now is that then doubles up. That then doubles up. Straight on. Just grab you guys again and just same again. We've gone fully down. Push that in all the way, and then push that down. That stops that. That will stop that coming back out. So do the same with this one. Push it down a little bit. straight in, drop that down, and that's that next platform up. So what I do now is I put all them together so they're ready to go, and then I'll show you the next part. Okay, outriggers next. As you can see, I've got one there, and I've put one at the back there, and again trying to do this one-handed, so please bear with me. That clicks in, so that clicks in like that, and then push that clip round. I'll be able to show you better on the bottom one, which goes, bottom one goes in like that for the outriggers, and then clamp that shut. You can actually pull that round a little bit, and then if you undo the bottom section, that will slide out. Now you don't want to go too far, and what I do is I'll twist that into the ground, and that's all four out. And just to show you on this one, I've put this one a little bit higher just to show you. If I unclip that, if you go too far, you start to see these are your maximum points, so you don't want to go past that. You don't want to go past that maximum point. So now we're going to get a platform on there. That's the platform on. What we have here now are these which you pull out and twist. We will do the same on this side. It's not easy trying to do it one-handed. And then what you can do then is pop that on there, so that when you go up on the platform you've got your two next sections. So I'll put that one on there as well, and that hangs. The other side, what I'll do is I'll assemble them now and put them on that side so they're ready to go up on top. So let's get them put together. Okay, those are assembled. As you can see, I've hung them on each side. So I'm going to go up on the first platform now, put the supports in and the tops on, and then come down, use them same places again to put more stuff on, and then get the second platform on. And that is pretty much it. I will push them bars back in, but that is how you set up your me tower. It's very solid, and you can work safely off that platform up there. That will go around the top, which I shall take up onto the top platform and show you that. Best way I've found to do this is slide it into the middle, step inside, and then it will just open out like that. Same at the back side, and then that just drops into place like that. That can then stay there throughout while you're working. So if you've got any tools up here, your tools are not gonna fall off that. Tools are not gonna fall off that top platform because you've got this here. So if you've got any drills, screwdrivers, I would say it takes about 10-15 minutes to assemble on your own. Like I say, you can see it's got that yeah, it's got that tray round the edge kind of here. So I say nothing can fall off then if you're using your tools or anything. Obviously I've just set it up there for demonstration purposes because I'm going to just knock the outriggers in, wheel it over there, recheck the level. Whenever you move it, yeah, I'll recheck the level. Whenever you move it, you must always check the level again because obviously it's not always going to be flat ground everywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's how I build the my tower. There's a few people do it differently. Some people have doubles at the bottom and stagger it that way, but I think the way HSS explained it is you've got one support lower, then one support upper, then you've got two. Then because you've got that's the higher side, so you go low, high, two, and then you go high, and then you've got your two at the top. Your two platforms are holding it as well. That pulls everything in together, and then you've got your outriggers down at the bottom for maximum stability. Whoops, sorry, I'm covering the lens. For maximum stability. So yeah. Anyway, I suppose I better get on with some work. It's very cold today. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.